Okay, so. Oh, no. Okay, let's see. I should be able to hear you. Oh, I heard you. You okay?
Yeah, it's just breaking my neck. I mean, yeah, my neck kind of, well, it's, I guess you consider it broken, but it's damaged.
Yeah. Okay. So it should be. I won't close the door in that.
Have the injury and we're in the bike area.
Yes.
So they should be.
Yeah, there was little man left. So
The judge, yeah.
yeah, the judge left and now.
Okay, so someone should be coming. Volume. Where's the volume?
We tested it and everything was. So he should be able to hear you. If you have any problems, holler at us.
We'll be lost.
Okay, thank you.
Soon as it gets started, I'll shut the door, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Doesn't work when I'm muted, does it?
Okay, now I can hear you.
All right, your lawyer's coming in right now.
Hey, Christopher, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can, sir.
My name is Greg Hill. I'm your attorney in this case. You understood everything you signed, right?
Yes, for the
Okay.
time served and everything.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's just it's it becomes time served because it's 15 months in the state jail and you've been in there considerably
Well,
longer.
already almost, yeah, almost 7 years now.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
And
yes,
it's a case where he pled out here and McLennan County had a hold on him
yeah,
and he
it's
went to
the entire issue was because of the lawyer at the time that I had. Um, he had one of his lackeys take over my case, and he messed up all my paperwork and messed up everything for me on both in Hill County and McLennan County. So I've been having to take care of this myself. So
well, we'll get it squared away
We'll get it.
today.
Yes,
okay,
we
thank
will
you.
get it. We will get it done as soon as I got a prosecutor, and so I'll let y'all know as soon as prosecutor and the court reporter show up.
Sir, if you don't mind me asking, another when someone signs for a putting a 10-year cap for a certain case, when they have other what is the way of putting it? Like it's not just for the sentencing, but for the like registry and everything. Does that go along as well with that? That they cannot go any past like no more than 10 years?
It just depends on the case. Most of the time, if it's a sex case that has a 10-year registration, that means until the person finishes probation or finishes prison or whatever, parole, plus 10.
Yeah, well, I understand that it's because the district attorney gave me a 10-year cap because that was the best that she could do because like I said, the person that was on my case kind of messed up my paperwork, failed to get things in on time, and got me a warrant out for my arrest when I was already in Hill County. They gave me a
Yeah,
failure to appear to my arraignment.
I don't know.
Which,
I don't know about your case down there.
well,
I'm sorry. I wish I could tell you, but
okay.
Looks like we now have everyone, so we will proceed with cause number F073-18. This is style the state of Texas versus Christopher Lawrence. Is it Berartez?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Berartez, are you the same person that this court placed on probation for on a possession of controlled substance less than a gram, a state jail felony?
Yes, sir.
And that was a deferred adjudication probation. The state's now filed a motion to proceed to final adjudication alleging certain violations of those terms, conditions of probation. In fact, 2 violations. You have indicated to me that you understand what those allegations are and that you're pleading true to each of those allegations because you've got a plea agreement with the state. Is that, in fact, your pleas?
Yes, sir.
Do you read and write English?
Yes, sir.
Are you thinking clearly?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hill, do you believe your client is competent to stand trial?
He's competent, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Berartez, of course, there's no right to a jury trial here at this proceeding. The burden of proof would have been on the state to prove the matters by preponderance of the evidence, not beyond a reasonable doubt. The true plea basically allows the court to proceed to final adjudication, sentence someone anywhere from 180 days to 2 years and up to a $10,000 fine. However, you've got a plea agreement for 15 months in the state jail facility, and of course, you've already served well more than 15 months, and so this will turn into a time served matter. And if you're not a citizen of the United States, you would be deported, but I'm assuming you're a citizen of the United States.
Yes, sir.
You are? All right. Then, Mr. Hill, is that your understanding of the plea agreement?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
All right. Anything by the state before the court to pronounce the sentence then?
No, Your Honor.
Then Christopher Lawrence Berartez, based upon your pleas of true, the court finds those allegations to be true, does adjudicate you guilty as charged in the indictment, sentences you to 15 months in a state jail facility for the state of Texas, gives you credit for all the time that you've got coming, which was more than 15 months. And that is all. Again, Mr. Berartez, I don't believe there's any right to appeal since it's a plea agreement. But if you had any questions about that, you could talk to Mr. Hill. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your
We'll be in
Honor.
recess.
Thank you, Your Honor.